Many communities have experience of councils stepping up in times of emergency. We are familiar with how councils respond in times of fire and flood. But councils are also working hard to support communities during this pandemic, despite it being uncharted territory. Like many Tasmanian businesses, LGAT and councils have had to adjust operations quickly in order to keep workers and community members safe while still delivering infrastructure and services. Councils are continuing to deliver both statutory and community services, including delivering infrastructure projects, providing immunisation services, approving private development, maintaining exercise areas, cleaning public spaces, and communicating with the community. As a result of public health directions, councils have had to close some key community facilities, such as playgrounds, sports and aquatic centres, museums and visitor centres. Council offices may be closed to the public, but be assured council's dedicated employees are still working away. It is business as usual, despite it being unusual times. Tasmanian councils recognise that coronavirus is leading to significant job losses and economic downturn. We know this will put a lot of families, households and businesses under financial stress. To that end, councils have implemented or are in the process of implementing a range of financial relief measures, including the ability to consider hardship cases to assist businesses and individuals facing financial difficulty. Common financial relief measures being implemented by councils include deferral of rates payments, waiving penalties for late payments, turning off interest for outstanding rates and suspending debt recovery actions, providing rent relief on council-owned buildings, ensuring incoming bills are paid promptly, and providing community grants. Many councils are bringing forward capital projects to stimulate the economy through employment and procurement. The state government's stimulus loan package is a welcome enabler in that regard. At LGAT's March General Meeting, councils agreed to a 0% rate increase, and councils are now formally considering that as part of their budget processes. Councils have also implemented a range of other initiatives, such as assistance for community groups, community hotlines and COVID web pages, waiving parking fees, providing online resources for children and families, implementing or supporting buy local campaigns, sharing and promoting information through a variety of mechanisms, facilitating local counselling, and providing networking opportunities for businesses. And of course, the role of local government in recovery is well known and appreciated, and councils will continue to do important work through that phase. All of this is not without challenge. Revenue will be squeezed. And like state and federal governments, councils will be carrying the financial burden through debt and deficit budgets for some time to come. Councils have not received any direct funding from the state government or federal government. However, local government has recognised the need to support communities through and on the other side of these challenging times. Despite the fact that the Prime Minister has said that every job that can be done is essential, some councillors and council staff are the target of abuse. This includes yelling, spitting and online vitriol. This can't continue. While envy is understandable in a time when so many have lost their jobs, these workers have families that they're supporting, they're contributing to the community and local businesses, and they're working hard to deliver essential services. Unlike many sectors, council staff are not eligible for JobKeepers, and the local government sector will be vital as we move to our new normal in supporting the reactivation of local economies. The Premier, Peter Gutwein, has reminded us all to be kind, and that must apply to those in local government as well. Until next time, stay safe, stay well.